Hi guys, Ryan from SwimPro here in the SwimPro lab in the new setup. So I'm just going to show you guys today how to change the filter settings on the cameras. So in the USA we need to set the shutter so it doesn't really correlate with the 60 Hertz power frequency, and also in Australia, Europe and the UK, etc. when you got the 50 Hertz, you need to set that filter as well. It's not for all lights, it's just for some lights. We're finding, particularly fluorescent globes, tend to have a bit of an interference with the shutter speed of the cameras. Also, I'll show you how to change shutter speed. I'm going to show you how to change the bitrate. So the new Eclectic Eel and Dashing Dolphin updates, well, the latest being Eclectic Eel, which I have right here. It has it can accept 16 megabits per second image quality, which is about a 20-30% increase in underwater video quality, or above water video quality as well, on the current cameras. So you can set your cameras to that as well. So let me show you how to do this. In the next release, you're going to be able to do it on the IQ2, but in the meantime, for those who are eager to get the highest quality video out of their cameras with the Eclectic Eel release, and also fiddle with shutter speeds, let me show you how to do it. So in this case, you're grabbing your mobile phone. So a lot of us have got smartphones. Grab your smartphone and let me show you what I'm doing on mine. So I'll play this video. So open up a browser, go to www.swimmingcam.com/settings.php. Okay. So you're going to, that's actually a website. So just note I'm on the internet here. You can see I'm not connected to a Wi-Fi network. So on the internet, I go to swimmingcam.com/settings.php. I then hit enter. I'm then showed a screen like that, which is your general camera settings screen. Okay, at this point, I need to connect to my SwimPro Wi-Fi connection. So I turn my Wi-Fi on. I go to my Wi-Fi settings and I connect to SwimPro IQ2 2.4 gigahertz, and as we all know, the password there is underwater. So I connect into that. Wait for that to connect up. So this is connecting again to my SwimPro Wi-Fi, which in most cases won't have the internet on it unless you've got it plugged into your WAN port of your router. Okay, I then go back to my web browser, where I can still see my swimmingcam.com/settings.php screen. It'll still be up. So on iPhone, you use the multi-application selector. On Android, you press the multi-application button and go back to your web browser, where that same page will still be up before you connect it to Wi-Fi. So you then proceed, it's gone a bit quick, I'll just go back a bit. You then proceed to choose a camera in the drop-down list here. Choose your shutter speed. Morning, Brad. And then hit apply. Apologies. I'll just go forward there. And then hit apply. It's going to come up. So it's going to connect to my SwimPro Platinum Plus. I need to put a username and password. So username is admin. Password is 4 Skyline. So that's a 4 lowercase s KYLINE. That's the address of the SwimPro office. So I put that in. You only have to do this once, mind you, for each camera, and then I'll get a successful button. So in that case, I set the shutter speed to 60. Now I select another camera. I can select a different data rate. So again, if you want that really high image quality, you can set it to 16.384 megabits per second, and then press apply. Now the power frequency, I can change the settings there. So if I'm in Australia, I set it to that. And if I'm in look, just a quick note on WDR. For those of you who haven't turned it off, in most cameras it's on. What it is, it's a dual shutter setting. It's a wonderful feature, but we're finding it's a little troublesome again with the power frequency flickering filter problem or challenge that we have. So just turn that off. So ensure you can do any setting you want. So first thing really is grab your camera, select your camera, and then turn that WDR off. That way it won't tamper at all with your shutter speed. If by having that setting off, you just have a raw shutter speed and a raw power frequency filter. So yeah, turn that thing off, press apply, and then go through and put all your settings on. So again, it'll pop up as you're applying all these settings. It'll pop up an application window, and that's fine. Once that's applied, go back then to the same settings.php screen, and continue to apply different settings. So righto guys, all the best with that. Get in touch with our warehouse at warehouse@swimmingcam.com if you've got any further questions, and enjoy your SwimPro.